Hey guys, just quick update on the GSX. This has been a crazy project so far. I'm here with my buddy David, lead mechanic on the job. What's going on, David? Say hi.
How you doing?
Yep. Here we got the battery job over here. So David over here built a kind of a custom tray for the battery. Inside here is a full-size battery. We wired the battery cable all the way from the back to the front through here. Can't even see it. So it goes all underneath the carpet and everything, so you can't see anything. And then here we're going to the front. We haven't wired the front yet, it's still going, but here it is here. So we just gotta cut some cable and do that. Yep, but yeah, so far this looks like the battery's gonna go right there, you know. For anybody wondering where the Subaru is and how that project's going, it is still in the shop and it still needs to get sanded down. Everything, all the pieces put back together, and so that's still going. But guys, give it another week or two, and that Subaru will be all said and done. But in the meantime, we're still working on this thing. This thing is a crazy project. You know, not only does it need, it needs rust repair, it needs a tune. We're doing all the maintenance, timing belt, water pump. David over here is taking it a day by day on doing all the maintenance, when I'm here lending him a hand, so, yep. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.